What I like about King's College is we're moving away from the textbooks and the worksheet side of the maths that tend to kind of narrow the children's learning of maths, whereas my teaching comes in with them generating their own answers, generating their own questions.
I specialise in the early years, and what we do is we teach maths through play. We believe wholeheartedly that children learn best when they are playing, because it gives them an opportunity to explore, to investigate, and to actually see how different concepts within maths work, but they feel very safe in the environment of play because that's what they enjoy doing most, and they learn best when they're playing.
Progression is something that we do focus on quite highly because we've got very high expectations here, and so we have got clear objectives that we use right from the youngest children in the school, where we just try to get them used to using maths in everyday life and get the enjoyment of it, to right up in year 6, where it's a lot more challenging maths as well. There is very clear progression, and the children do progress very well.
We use all sorts of technology to help the children learn maths. I mean, they are particularly excited by the iPads when they come into the classroom, and even though they don't realise they're learning, there's so many apps that we can put onto the iPads. The children absolutely love them.
In the senior school, we use technology mainly in terms of the interactive whiteboards to make concepts which can be quite difficult to visualise much clearer to see. Whiteboards make lessons much more interactive, and that means that students are not just sitting back and receiving the information, they can also come up and participate a bit more and show what they can do.
From a very early age we've been put into sets, which encourages us to work at our own pace with teachers who help us and who are constantly aware of what we find difficult and what we find easy, which just creates a level of confidence that I don't think we'd find anywhere else.
I would like to carry out my passion for this subject in a British university, maybe in Imperial College or Warwick. I have not yet decided, but I definitely want to study maths.